Chemical trade stores' Fungicidal Wash is unbeatable, available in sizes to fit your business needs. For best optimum results, do not dilute. The product is ready to use. Remove excess debris from the area to be treated. Pour the ready-to-use solution into a bucket. Apply with a roller or spray using a knapsack. Apply directly to the affected area at a rate of 1 litre per 5 to 10 square meters, depending on the porosity of the surface. Work the fungicidal wash into the surface with a brush. Leave to work for 48 hours. Wash away with water, or for best results, use a pressure washer. You may need to repeat the process for badly infested areas. Allow surface to dry before applying other coatings like paint or masonry paint coatings. Note: repeat the application process for heavier soiling. Important: always test on an inconspicuous area prior to use and only proceed once satisfied with the results. Rinse hands after use. Stay tuned for more tips, like share, comment, and save for later.